Linear equation in one variable. Objective: linear equation in one variable. Solving equations having variables on one side. Two trains leave the station at the same time traveling in opposite directions. One travels at 70 miles per hour and the other at 60 miles per hour. How long does it take for the distance between them to reach 390 miles? In order to solve this kind of problem, we need to learn solving of linear equations in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Equations which have only one variable and whose highest power is 1 are called linear equations in one variable. For example, 2p plus 5 equals to 15. X by 5 equals to 35. 3 by 2 m minus 4 equals to 6. Here, the highest power of the variable in the equation is 1. Solution of an equation. The equality happens to be true only for certain values of variable. Let's observe the values of LHS and RHS of equations for various values of x by inspection till get balanced. These values are called solutions of this equation. For example, let us take an equation x plus 4 equals to 10. Let us substitute x equals to 6 in the equation. 6 plus 4 equals to 10. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, x equals to 6 is the solution of equation. The value of the variable which satisfies the equation is called the solution or the root of the equation. Solving equations having variables on one side. An equation can be solved using the methods of balancing and transposing. Balancing method. Let the given equation is 4a plus 11 equals to 6a plus 3. On both sides, we must separate the same number of marbles. This means that on both sides we can remove 3 marbles without losing the equilibrium of the balance. We will get 4a plus 8 equals to 6a. You can also remove 4 packs of marbles without losing the equilibrium of the balance. You'll get 8 equals to 2a. When 2 packs are equal to 8 marbles, there must be 8 divided by 2 equals to 4 marbles in each pack. Solution: a equals to 4. Transposing method. The process of shifting a number from one side to other side by changing the sign is known as transposition. When we change the side of a term, every operation changes to its counter operation. Plus sign transposes to minus sign. Minus sign transposes to plus sign. Multiplication transposes to division. And division transposes to multiplication. Let us solve an equation. Solve 2x plus 10 equals to 16. Transpose 10 from LHS to RHS. On transposing, plus 10 becomes minus 10. 2x equals to 16 minus 10. 2x equals to 6. Now, transpose 2 from LHS to RHS. Since 2 is multiplied on LHS, we transpose it and divide the RHS by 2. X equals to 6 by 2. X equals to 3. Let's solve the problem of opposite trains using transposing method. Let after t hours both the trains are 390 miles away. Distance travelled by first train is 70t. Distance travelled by second train is 60t. Total distance travelled by both the trains is 70t plus 60t equals to 130t. Here given that 130t equals to 390. It is a linear equation in one variable. Let's solve it by transposing method. LHS is 130t. RHS is 390. Here 130 multiplied by t. If we transpose it to RHS, then it becomes 390 divided by 130. Therefore, t equals to 3 hours. That means after 3 hours, both the trains at 390 miles apart.